Hi, I'm Mohammed from New Zealand. I came here to Jinan to have a look for the warehouse of Blue Elephant and where they make the machine. They have a good service and good price for the machine. I'm looking for the edge bending and CNC and table saw and vacuum panel. So they are really good. They show me everything, how they production and how they created the idea of the machine and how they can do the customize for all the machine. Whatever you need, whatever you like, they can make it for you with an affordable price and everything is good. I recommend it for everyone to aim and have a look for all the machine. All good. Thank you.